2025 Lincoln Navigator. The 2025 Lincoln Navigator is probably the best-looking vehicle the brand has produced in recent years. Its exterior is dominated by a huge gloss black grille and illuminated daytime running lights that seamlessly connect to the headlights. Inside, the luxury continues with two massive 48-inch curved screens. Powered by a 3.5-liter V6 engine producing 444 horsepower. The Navigator also boasts the towing capacity of up to 8,700 pounds. It's packed with modern tech, including Lincoln's Blue Cruise hands-free driving system and its unique split tailgate design. As practicality, the cabin is ultra-comfortable with USB-C ports for every passenger and a 28-speaker sound system. The starting price is $95,000, a reflection of its premium status.